Your 2018-2022 Honda Odyssey's cabin air filter traps dust, pollen, and debris, preventing them from entering the HVAC system. A clogged filter reduces airflow, strains the AC, and can circulate odors and allergens. Replace it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or 12 to 24 months, or more often if you notice reduced airflow, musty smells, or drive in dusty conditions. Consider upgrading to an activated carbon filter for odor absorption. A new filter improves air quality and protects your AC components. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new filter. First, open the passenger side glove box, depress the side stops, and remove it. Unscrew the filter cover behind the glove box. Note the airflow arrow on the old filter and remove it. Install the new filter with the arrow pointing the same way. Then reassemble the cover and glove box. Test the AC to ensure improved airflow. This is a beginner-friendly task taking about 15 to 30 minutes.